Components of Excel 2016 window. Following are the components of Excel 2016 window.
Title bar. It is located on the top of the window that shows the name of the current workbook. File tab.
It is located at the left top corner that contains the file menu commands such as New, Open, Save, etc.
Quick Access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It displays quick access buttons of the Save, Undo and Redo commands. Ribbon. This bar has tabs with group of related commands displayed on it. Formula bar.
It is used to enter and edit formulas in a cell and perform calculations on your worksheet data. It is also used for entering and editing the contents of a cell.
Name box. The address of the active cell is displayed in this box. Worksheet window. It is a single page in Excel, also called spreadsheet. Status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom shows various information about the file in which you are working. The right section of the status bar has view control buttons for the spreadsheet. Row. The horizontal divisions on a worksheet are called rows. There are 10,48,576 rows in an Excel worksheet.
Each row is represented by a number such as 1, 2, 3 and so on.
Column. The vertical divisions on a worksheet are called columns. There are 16,384 columns in an Excel worksheet.
Each column is represented with alphabetic value such as A, B, C and so on.
Row and column heading buttons. Work area is divided into rows and columns. The rows are referred using numbers and columns using the alphabets. The row headings range from 1 to 10,48,576 and column headings range from A to XFD. Cell. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. A cell in Excel worksheet looks like a rectangular box. Active cell.
A cell is formed by the intersection of a row and a column. The currently selected cell that appears highlighted with green border is an active cell. The data we type is entered in an active cell.
Mouse pointer. The mouse pointer is displayed as a block plus sign whenever it is located in a cell on the worksheet. Another common shape of the mouse pointer is the block arrow. Worksheet tab.
There can be more than one worksheet in Excel workbook and each has a specific name. Any worksheet can be activated by clicking on its name in Worksheet tab.
Worksheet tab scrolling buttons.
These are arranged on the left side of the Worksheet tab. These are used to display the worksheet tabs which are invisible. The tab is clicked to make a worksheet active.
Workbook. A workbook is a collection of different worksheets.
By default, a workbook contains one worksheet I, Sheet 1, that can be increased or decreased as per the requirement. Ribbon. Microsoft Excel ribbon is a row of tabs and icons at the top of the Excel window that allows you to quickly find, understand, and use commands for completing a certain task.